The following organizations have provided funding for this Into the Outdoors television series.
Farmers plant corn in the spring when the soil is warm enough to germinate the seeds. In Wisconsin, that generally means early May. Today, most farmers are planting their corn in a way that's better for the environment. Instead of plowing the fields in the spring to get rid of last year's corn stalks, they're planting new seeds right over the old stalks. This is called no-till planting, or conservation tillage. One big advantage to no-till planting is that it significantly reduces and sometimes completely eliminates soil erosion. That's because the crop residue left from the previous harvest is able to protect the soil. No-till planting also helps farmers cut down on gas expenses. These big tractors use up a lot of fuel. Luckily, today's tractors and combines have the latest technology, which helps them use diesel fuel more efficiently. New technology is also helping farmers to produce more corn per acre. Farmers use the latest in hybrid corn seeds to grow stronger and more productive plants. In 1967, U.S. farmers produced an average of 80 bushels of corn per acre. 20 years later, the average corn crop was 120 bushels per acre. And in 2007, it was up to 150 bushels per acre. At this rate, corn production is expected to hit more than 200 bushels per acre by 2030. As the corn stalks start to grow, they develop brace roots at the bottom to help support the plant, since they'll grow to be 7 to 10 feet tall. At the top of each plant, a tassel develops. The tassel contains hundreds of small flowers that produce pollen. Each stalk normally produces one ear of corn. Ears are covered with husks, which protect the kernels as they develop. Silk-like threads stick out the top of the husks. Each strand of silk needs to be pollinated by the tassel at the top of the stalk in order to produce one kernel of corn. All this happens over the span of about 130 days, which is the average amount of time it takes corn to mature. After the corn matures, farmers typically wait a while before harvesting so the corn kernels can dry. The corn harvest takes place in the fall, usually early to mid-October.